Hi, Lexi. It's freezing here. I hope it's warm and wonderful where you are, and I imagine it would be. Well, I wanted to get you a little something, and there's wishing you happy holidays, Lexi. Enjoy. And there you see, got you in the water, surfing. I got you a little something. You probably won't get it for a while, but let's just assume that you might eventually get it. But this is just a little preview. This goes in here. There you are. And let's see now. A little something for you to read while you're sitting by the beach. And there it is. Surprise, surprise. You won't know until you get it. And it even comes in a box. No glues, origami only. And I hope you enjoy it. Hope to see you soon. Surf's up. Happy holidays.